Good morning, students. Today we will study one of the four metropolitan cities, that is Delhi. Delhi is a historical place. It is situated along the bank of river Yamuna. It has been the capital of many kings and emperors in the past. This city was first built by Pandavas and they call it Indraprastha. Much later, Shah Jahan built this city and he renamed it Shahjahanabad. Students, do you know New Delhi is the capital of India since British time? The Britishers built New Delhi as the capital of India. This city was planned and designed by Sir Alvin Lutyens. New Delhi is our national capital. The official name of this is National Capital Territory of Delhi. It is surrounded by Uttar Pradesh on the eastern side and by Haryana on the other three sides. Students, all the main government offices are in New Delhi. It has some buildings like Rashtrapati Bhavan, Parliament House, Central Secretariat, High Commission or embassies. In Rashtrapati Bhavan, the President of India lives. Central Secretariat has two blocks, North Block and South Block. The Prime Minister office is in the South Block. The Parliament also has two houses, the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. The members of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha hold their meetings and discussion here. Students, the offices of other countries' government are also in Delhi. The government of other countries' offices, that means foreign offices, are called embassies or high commission. Now, what about the climate of Delhi? The climate of Delhi is extreme. It has very hot summer and cold winter. In summer, hot and dry winds, cold blue blow from April to June, and it rains from July to September. Tourists from all over the world came here to see its heritage. They visit historical monuments like Red Fort, Jama Masjid, Jantar Mantar, Qutub Minar. Students, do you know on 15th August, the Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at Red Fort. Every year, the Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at Red Fort. The Jama Masjid is one of the largest and most beautiful mosque in India, and it was built by Shah Jahan. Jantar Mantar was built by Maharaja Jai Singh II, and it was used to study the sun, the moon, the stars and the planet. Do you know who built the Qutub Minar? Qutub Minar was built by Qutubuddin Aibak, and its height is 72.5 meters. Besides this, there are other interesting places to visit, like Dolls Museum, Lodi Garden, Milestone, Rajghat, Shantivan, India Gate, etc. Students, do you know the Rajghat is the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of nation, and Shantivan is a memorial of India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And at India Gate, there is a flame that lit continuously, that burns continuously, in the memory of those Indians who sacrificed their lives for a country. Beside these interesting places, there are a large number of places of worship for all religions, like Akshardhan Temple, Birla Mandir, Lotus Temple, Gurudwara Bangla Sahib, Jama Masjid and St. James Church. Students, do you know, to make the life easy and comfortable, we have well-developed roads, flyovers and metro. These all make our life comfortable. They make travel easy and comfortable. All major Indian festivals are celebrated in Delhi, like Diwali, Dussehra, Durga Puja, Holi, Eid, Christmas, Guru Parv, Buddha Purnima, Mahavir Jayanti and Navratri. Students, do you know many sporting events are held in Delhi? The Commonwealth Games were held in Delhi in 2010. These games were a huge success. And now, what about the dresses of men and women? The men wear trousers, shirts, kurta, pajama, whatever they like to wear. And women wear saris, salwar suits, jeans, skirts and other dresses. Students, do you also know we call Delhi a mini India? Why we call Delhi a mini India? Because in Delhi, we can meet people from all over the country. They live and work here. They speak different languages and celebrate different festivals. And yet, they all are Indians. I hope you all have understood the chapter very well.